Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful morning here again at my workplace. I work in one of the ghettos of Kampala. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Jabuel. If you are my wonderful returning subscriber, thank you so much for always checking on me, watching my videos and sharing. I really appreciate. In this channel, for some days now, I've been sharing with you guys my daily experience at my workplace. So today is another day. So this flat iron here, they said that it can, okay fine, it comes on, but it cannot regulate, like the thermostat inside has a problem. You can't reduce the heat, you can't increase it, it's just constant. So I'm going to fix it together with you. You can let me know there in the comment section if you want to know the kind of tools we use, and at the same time, if you have any suggestion at all, how you want me to be making my videos, or anything at all, you can either leave the comment in the comment section, or you can call me directly or WhatsApp me. I would really love to make the videos that you love and the videos that you enjoy. Oh, I opened this thing for nothing. The problem is here. The flat iron is working.
So that one now needs to be replaced?
It's this one, yeah. It's this thing which has a problem. Let me see if we can put spark glue, but I don't know. Let me see, because the flat iron is, even I wish I had known. So guys, after opening it, I just realized that, you know, the thermostat, I don't know, it's hot by the way from here. You see? You can hear that sound. It's hot. So I realized that here, this thing is broken. Here it's broken, here it's broken, and yet it is the one that's supposed to hold this to make it move.
That's supposed to be clean.
This one, if you want, but you can't avoid dust. But for us here, it's too much. If that thing fails, you will tell me the type of clothes you normally iron, then we just, but this one can be good, only that it would be expensive, which I have them here in my scrap. I don't think I have. If I do have, then it has a owner.
This type of lion, they're no longer made in the market.
This one is made in where?
Hungary.
Let me see. Hungary. Indonesia. Yeah, Indonesia, they are good.
They're no longer in the market.
These days we have made. Yes. Machpetie barracks.
Majikum na hakan. Arubiro cheja na kutimi is closing up program.
Welcome.
Flag Kadima Bear. So, Pogino, Yao. Man.
Why?
Young way. You can't get young.
Young much.
Hey, spread the rock flush.
You see, if we can find a way how to, because this is where the whole thing happens. Yeah, we need something. No, there's no need for time, unless maybe if you want to buy another one.
But now they have another. Because unless for the one, a person has the one which has abandoned, this is not easy to get.
You need your cousin. Cousin number 2.
There's an element of children throwing things falling down.
Children are always like that.
Maka.
When I need to. You're gonna. Iran. Not to look at pity, my son.
Ma anak ka extra nga indo ko ana siya ko dito. Ana very cool boy.
I'm a very cool boy, like.
Ini gigi cek. Kayak bisa kan?
Screen.
Kan.
Eh.
Kayak
Okay, I've been okay. So guys, I just tried to make this. I want to test it now and see whether it's going to work. Okay. Let me check it. Oh, by the way, paka nicho bino. Kolo gwang eno tie chen aka kon ber ma. No gal ne di.
Gwang maka maki oda inasa bidi.
Ya, namu wan.
Jodoh ko juga gitu negatif kan.
Kalau gina kitibe. tea. Wow. And that's what I was saying. When you're a technician, you have to be creative. If you are not, then they will kick you out of the business. Because there are other young people coming. Yeah. So you can see now. So guys, this one, problem solved. Okay, thank you. Kelly? No?
Akaparana wewe kwenu. Twa. Wakati para kwa chafu.
Con Sunday. So in KB7, menu Spark 3. Then Spark 3.
Menu, come on.
You hear another same screen.
Hey! Ati esambia fundi however. Inabidi waja wadichunya wakati wa hiki game. Wakati wa hiki game. Haya, ndio mabasho kwa show wote na wakati. Stroke nyalo wanga sambia kati wakati.
Kana no jewe.
Eh?
Kumushitun. Eri ya mtwalo. Ya wansi ya mtwalo.
But for me, my stand is okay.
You wait, I finish. You wait, I finish here and I come. Doctor, kolome meru donge.
Bene?
Te ka ke ngor matin mu donge.
Babo.
Di mala.
Na na tu.
Rumore gi wende.
Ada mje kucho sensor ni sino standard kwa makao.
You see? I fix it very well.
Ikito mako de olo.
Menga kere mo connectinga. Nga mo connectinga.
Pero ya mor baras que yo conectinga y ya shock ngami kinya kirike. Ya mor wani.
Can I use go your stool?
But Inga is the one customers are using outside now.
Elisha. I'm yakum to go. Shana shana. Franklin Diego. What about pink annual? I'm not coming tomorrow. I'm coming only here. For you, it's that.
TV we taking out Berungeri TV.
That's free.
Dinyo mera.
Then you might better work is in the body.
Other boy.
Body, can you take my she can use that?
Mother boy obedo inshangu.
But is it 19?
19. Other boy must read to area. Nyanwang Fruit anya mini 90. Then analog gana kirabish. Bino remote.
I don't know. My problem is walking too much.
I don't go out. Yes. Sano ibedo shua no be motherboard.
To shango girbo girin ye kare to ashrani board. Ti wona ne kwano nyema nyen kwani kinangu kwenye.
Hey, did you touch it?
Yeah.
This is okay.
Have you seen? Have you seen?
Hey, did you touch it?
You have seen the red light?
Yeah.
I'll fix it well.
Okay. You first you.
You ashrani ni body. Ti ashrani board amunye kare anye board mane. Ebe anye board man ticket.
Icho kiri nye board man.
Ticket in the whole the old from 2021 my area. Did this year the whole tower.
Okay. Kilo wa sheka.
Nina okay. Icho na problem pa kweli yakitwe.
Kiri leo.
Atuka ina no Kenya. It's direct to the power.
Kiri leo. Angeki matem. Era ikaba kiri wiro connectors by the Who sent you that tip? Who's Auntie Jennifer? Auntie Jennifer. Who just? She's from coming this side now. Tomorrow? What do you mean by tomorrow? I'm like, did she just come this side?
Good dog.
No, the legend has
Recording.